First, disassemble the stem guide. Slide the stem guide wall bracket onto the anchor studs, snugging it down to the wall. Move the guide around to make sure the stem is in the center. Place a plumb bob down the stem and make sure it falls directly in the middle of the gate. Place your guide halves together around the stem and then bolt it down. Move the guide halves around on the bracket to make sure the stem is free and centered. Ensure that the stem guide bushings are in place. Snug down the bolts and make sure they're tight. Wiggle the stem around a little and make sure that it's free in the guides. There should be no more than 1/8 of an inch of movement between the stem and the guide. For more information on installing Waterman gates, refer to our installation manual and the other videos on our website.